My project is on hunting endangered species. Many hunters hunt endangered species for money and trophies. They also hunt endangered species because they are vicious animals, and some think that it is better for them to not be on the planet. Hunters prefer to hunt the biggest, most beautiful, and rarest species. Hunting endangered species is illegal in some parts of countries. Texas has the biggest population of exotic species in America. In Texas, they breed exotic animals for hunting purposes. This is a $1 billion business, and over 14,000 people are employed in the business. This is called captive hunting. There is no regard for protecting endangered species from the Endangered Species Act, which is also known as ESA. In the state of California, our government's law is that if you hunt endangered animals, you will be fined and arrested. Here are some graphs that will show you the extinction rate from past years. Now you will see the top 8 picked endangered species that are still being hunted. At number 8 is the great white shark. Number 7 is the cheetah. Number 6 is the hippopotamus.